So guys, you can't guess or you can't imagine what just happened. Like, you can just see for yourself what has just happened. I don't know what kind of devil has entered into the market or something. I don't know. Just look at this. Like, I just got stopped out right now, and the market and the price has just went all the way to almost hitting my TP. Like, what the heck is that, man? Like, I've just lost some money right now, and then price just blasts all the way to my tip. So today we are going to be trading the New York session, since my setup did not present itself to me during the London session. So today we're just going to take advantage of the New York session. Yeah, so let me explain this trade so fast, because my phone is about to die. Like, as you can see, it's about around 31%. Yeah, let me just explain it so fast. Today this trade or this video won't be so long, but I just said that I won't leave any trade out from me recording it, showing it to you guys. Yeah, so let me explain. This is my setup. As you always know, we always look for consolidation, manipulation, and then distribution. Let me explain the consolidation. So price came all the way to this point, and then some retail traders, some noob traders were enticed to enter into the market or buy the market. So price went all the way to this point. This is just an inducement. So after they were enticed, they entered. When they saw price reach here, they said that their trade is playing out, but unfortunately the price just reverses all the way to this point for their stop losses to get hunted. And then again, they get enticed. They say that they have entered to the market because they know that all in all the market should be bullish, and they try to trade or to enter to a bullish trade. Unfortunately, their price or their stop losses, which they had placed it below these lows, get stopped again. Again, they try to enter some form of consolidation over here, but unfortunately the market was just in a changing moment. Like, it was not moving to any specific direction. Yeah, so that is the consolidation, and there, that is where we have the bull traps and all. So maybe somebody or someone entered into a trade over here, and or over here, and since that guy is smart and he knew that some of their stop losses might get hunted, so he just decided that to give he decided to give his trade some breathing room. Like, he decided to place his stop loss over here so that it won't get hunted or something, or price might not just come over here and get his stop loss, his or her stop loss stopped or hunted. But unfortunately, that is not what the market does. In every market, if you want to trade, you must always look for consolidation, and then we have the manipulation. Manipulation is where we have the stop losses of those people who deem themselves as smart get hunted. So all people, all the noob traders, or all those retail traders who don't know how to trade, who placed their stop losses over here, that is where or where their stop losses get hunted. So this is where the manipulation occurs. Like, price just significantly all the way to this point to sweep all the liquidity that is below these double bottoms or something, these lows, so that it can gain more momentum for price to shoot upwards. So after this manipulation has occurred, that's when the real move has to occur, and that is what you want to be catching in a market. Like, you always want to trade the distribution or the expansion part of the market, not the consolidation or the manipulation. So I waited for all these liquidities to be swept, so I can enter into the market. So I waited for price to come all the way to this point, and then price came all the way to this point. Again, it came down here to this. So my hypothesis of this trade is that price came back to this sort of demand over here. Like, we've got these candlesticks of where buyers tend to step into the market and push the market upwards. So my hypothesis is that price has to come all the way to this demand zone so that it can push price upwards, and that is when I waited for price to get tapped into that demand zone. Let me just show you let me just show you the demand zone that I entered in the 5-minute time frame. Let me just show you 5-minute time frame. Again, what you want to look for: consolidation, manipulation, and then distribution. There go 5-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute. Then I enter into the 5-minute time frame so that I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this was the manipulation, blah blah blah, and then this was the consolidation, blah blah blah, and then manipulation, and then this is when we are waiting for our distribution. Yeah, so the demand zone that I am talking about is this. So as you can see, we've got some sort of order block, not even a demand zone. In the 15-minute time frame, we've got a demand zone, but when you shift down to the 5-minute time frame, that is when we've got our order block. Now let me show you the order block that I'm talking about. Why is this thing not zooming in? Yeah, okay, that is what I'm talking about. So as you can see, this is an order block. What is an order block? An order block is where buyers tend to step into the market and push the market to move so fast. A large volume of buyers enter into the market in an order block, and in this case, this is a bullish order block. And what is a valid order block? So a valid order block, as you can see, there is a gap between this candlestick over here and this candlestick. So as you can see, like, we've got this gap over, so that tells us that this is a valid order block. Another thing that validates this order block is that we've got a break of structure, like as you can see over here. Like, this order block over here led to this break of structure. Like, we've got, what is wrong with my mouse? My mouse is not working, I don't know why. Let me just try and make it work. Okay, let me use my hand, or my, come on, this thing is so embarrassing, man. Like, I'm just be explaining to you guys. Okay, WhatsApp has stopped. I'm not even in WhatsApp. Like, what the heck? Okay, just a minute. I'm sorry guys, just forgive me for this. Like, this is so embarrassing, man. Like, when you try to make your videos look perfect and then this happens. Okay, as I was saying, this over here, we've got our break of structure. We've got a gap over here, and this order block over here led to the break of structure that we've got over here. So that means this is a valid order block, and whenever price comes all the way to this point, we might anticipate for buyers to enter, a large number of buyers to enter into the market and push the market upwards. So that is why I entered. Like, I just waited for price to come all the way to that order block, and then that is when I entered into the bombo clutch market. So right now we are in a little bit of a drawdown. Like, the buyers have not really entered into the market in that force that I wanted. Okay, maybe the liquidity is not enough, but I know that anytime from now, like, we shall just pump all the way upwards and hit our TP. So my stop loss, I just placed it below this order block. I just placed it below this order block, and I gave it some breathing room, so nothing too big. Yeah, and then for our TP, for our take profit, for our bombo clutch take profit, let me just try and see where I placed my take profit. So for my take profit, I've not yet decided where I'm going to place it. Like, I don't know why even I'm zooming this way. I've not yet known where I'm going to place my take profit, but I guess we shall just see it at the end of it all, because I might close this trade anytime. So long as I've just secured my loss, then I don't have to worry about my take profit or something. But because I want to be a professional trader, let me just try and find the correct spot to be placing my take profit, because I don't want to be doing some sort of guesswork or something. So I think it's already placed. Like, as you can see, I think you see at this point, the last time I entered into this trade, like we go to this supply zone. When price came all the way to this point, that is when the market crashed down. So I think that is the place that I'm just going to place my take profit, like in the next big supply zone. Yeah, that is the place that I've placed my take profit. So let us just wait and see, like the next opposite supply zone or the next point of interest. That is where you should be placing your bombo clat take profit. Yeah, so that is where I've placed my take profit. Nothing too big. Yeah, so let us just wait and see how this trade will go. So as you can see, my battery is almost dying and I'm recording this video using my phone, so I just have to cut this video short. Like this video won't be so long, and just bear with me because like we've got some power outage and my phone is about to die. Let me just leave you with a quick quote or something. I don't know what I can tell you today, but let me just repeat what I said in my first video. Change shall change you, and it won't spare the rod about teaching. Like, if you don't want to change, then change shall change you, and it won't spare the rod about teaching you how to change. You see, change shall change you, and it won't spare the rod about teaching you. Yeah, so just brood on that, brainstorm what I've said, and just try to fix it in your own words, and you will find what you'll just end up knowing what I'm trying to say. Change shall change you, and it won't spare the rod about teaching you. So we are in a bit of a drawdown, nothing too big. Like, I'm not stressed out because this shall be a successful trade indeed, because I'm trading my plan. If it hits stop loss, then I've already traded my plan. If it hits take profit, then I don't give a bombo clat damn, because I've followed my trading plan. It's a Black Wednesday for us. We just got stopped out, man. Like, we've been stopped out. Yeah, so that is what the market has done or has decided to do for us today. But it's a successful trade. We've followed our plan. Yeah, like I planned my trade and I've traded my plan. So it's a successful trade anyway, but lost some cash, not that big amount of money that other people lose, but the thing is we've lost. But even though we've lost, it's success. It's a success. Oh my god, English has run away. It's a successful trade since I followed my plan. I did not move my stop loss or take profit. I just left the market to do what it does. So that's it. Let me just go to my MT5 and show you how much we've lost today. There we go, guys. Today we've lost like $37. Like, it's within the gap that I always lose, so it's nothing bad, so long as I just left the market to do what it always does. I have nothing to complain. Yeah, so today we've lost $37, and not every day is Christmas. Like, we don't expect every day to be a winning day. So 1 out of 3 trades is a loss. Like, this is the 4th trade that I'm taking, and this is the first loss that I'm taking, trading with you seriously live on YouTube. Yeah. So better luck like next time, but for today we just have to accept that loss. Otherwise, let us see each other in the next trade. Bye bye.